Hello everyone, this is Ms. Clara and welcome to my channel. As I've recently traveled to Chiang Mai, I'd like to create a series of travel vlogs to introduce some Michelin-guide restaurants there that I'd like to recommend to you all. So without further ado, let's check it out now. The House by Ginger is a casual mix between a restaurant and a bistro. Its decor offers a hint of nostalgia that gives off a warm and pleasant feeling once you enter it. It has a strong focus on traditional Thai cuisine, yet creates dishes offering its unique twist. For the first meal in Chiang Mai, I ordered 2 traditional Lanna-style dishes. For starter, I ordered the refreshing watermelon with dried fish sugar and salmon caviar. As for the main course, I ordered the signature khao soi gai, which is Chiang Mai-style noodle curry soup with chicken, and paired it with the signature cocktail, the Tom Yum Cafe. The Tom Yum Cafe consists of a Thai rum base called Sang Song, mixed with soda, ginger, lemongrass, brown sugar, ginger syrup, as well as some refreshing ingredients. This drink has a wonderful flavor and a strong aroma that gives you the original taste of Thailand. As for the refreshing watermelon and dried fish sugar and salmon caviar, the fish is roasted to a dry powdery form before it is seasoned with granulated white sugar and mixed with deep-fried crispy shallots. The condiment partners perfectly with pieces of sweet juicy watermelon. There's little wonder why it is an ideal dish in summer. Khao soi gai is a traditional northern Thai dish. The bowl is filled with yellow egg noodles, followed by delicious curry broth. Simmered for hours, blended with coconut milk, chili, sugar, and soy sauce, makes the broth deliciously creamy. Served with pieces of tender chicken, topped with crispy deep-fried egg noodles, and adding a little bit of lime juice, shallots, and pickles, you will have the perfect balance of sourness and spiciness. In brief, this dish is a real firework of flavors. All in all, the House by Ginger has an enchanting ambience and serves high-quality food and beverages. The only drawback is that some of the food items are pricey. For example, its khao soi gai has only 2 small slices of tender chicken, whereas other restaurants offer a large chicken drumstick in their khao soi gai. It would have been better if the House by Ginger's khao soi gai had been served with more chicken. Apart from the House by Ginger, there are indeed more recommended eateries on their way. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now!